Hey all, how are you? I've been doing some backtesting, some experimentation with Zerodha streak platform. This is one of the strategy I would like to share with you today. It's for banknifty option buying. This is a trend following. It uses supertrend to enter and exit, and also takes choppiness index into the account to avoid sideways movements. So this is the backtesting result for Jan to March 2023. We will also test for some more months, but first see how to create this strategy. So here I will just remove this and add once again just to show you. So in Bank Nifty, just select dynamic contract here, and in CE select weekly and keep remaining options as it is and apply changes, and again add new, and this time select PE and again change it to weekly and keep remaining options as it is and apply changes and mark done. So we are doing this for Bank Nifty, and we added both CE and PE weekly options. So whenever these entry and exit conditions are satisfied, it will trigger the trades for these two contracts. And in chart type, keep it as candlestick, and then in the interval do select 15 minutes, and holding type is MIS because this is an intraday strategy, same day enter and exit. And then in quantity, I selected 10. It will execute it for 10 lots. So in the initial capital, I kept it as 1,50,000, but this can be done with just one lot. And also if you are only doing it for one lot, you can just do it with just 15,000, but for now I'm keeping it 1,50,000 capital and 10 lots. And entry condition would be, so super trend with period 11 and multiplier 1 and crosses below close, and choppiness index MA with period 14, MA period 20, and type simple lower than choppiness index. So this means the average moving average last 14-minute period choppiness index average is less than the choppiness index. That means choppiness is less, that means market is trending. So only when that is satisfied we will take the trade, when super trend 11 comma 1 crosses below close, and that is entry. And coming to exit condition, again super trend 11 comma 1 period crosses above close, then we will close the trade. Or when the trade takes makes a loss of 20, we will exit the trade. Or when the target is 100, we will keep the trailing SL 20, and whenever this trailing SL hits, then we will exit the trade, either these conditions or this condition. Okay, and then next, well, this is the entire strategy, and backtesting period I'm keeping it as Jan 1st to March 31st 2023, and save and backtest. So it will show us the results now for this period. Let's see. Okay, so in PE we got some losses, that is around 100% losses, but in CE, sorry, in PE we will, yeah, here in CE we made some good profits, that is 181%, which accounts for around 1,38,000. So these losses were covered here. So overall we will get around 72,000 profit, but after brokerage we will get around 58,000 for this period, Jan 1st to March 31st 2023. So I'm gonna run for another 3 months, because yeah, it will only we can only test it for like 3 months, 90 days period. So let's test for another 3 months. Okay, okay, this time In PE, we got around 44% loss, that is around 16,000. Let's see. Well, in CE, we got around 344% profits, that is around 1 lakh 12,000 overall. We got 95,000 profit, and that would be after brokerage, we got around 84,000. So let's test for another 3 months and let's see. Well, we are testing for June 1st to until now. Let's see. So this time in PE we got around 17% loss, that is around 2.5k, and in CE we got around 78% profit, that is around 24k, and overall we got 21k profit, but after brokerage we got around 10,000 left for us. So this is the strategy. It did work pretty good in 2023 because the market is trending. Either it is up or down, it did trend, so that's why we did made a lot of profits with this strategy. You can't apply this strategy when the market is like choppy. Even though we are using choppiness index, it will only do analyze for the time period we applied on chart, that is 15 minutes. But when the overall market is like very choppy and it is going to sideways, we can there is a possibility of making big losses with this strategy. So what you can actually do is just don't apply this strategy blindly without doing your own back testing. But what we can do is we can whenever we are anticipating big moves and big trends, when there is like crossing of support or resistance, then you can particularly apply CE or particularly deploy PE, and with some basic fundamental analysis, when there is big news or when there is budget day, those days the market does trend. So then you can apply this deploy this strategy, and also with little technical analysis from your side on a bigger time frames, manual technical analysis with price action, and then you can apply this strategy whenever you are anticipating big moves or trendy market. If you just blindly apply this strategy for the entire year, if the market is trending, then you can make profits. But if it is like in sideways, if there are like premiums are low, if there is choppiness is like a lot, then you can really make great losses too. So apply these with really great caution, and also do your own back testing. So this is just an educational video, just don't follow this blindly. So yeah, if you find this helpful, please do like and do subscribe, and yeah, thank you for watching.